What is up, everybody? Happy Saturday, Sunday, whatever day this goes up, doesn't matter. It's the weekend. I'm not working, I'm happy. So anyway, speaking of not working, I actually don't have anything to work on this week.
Kinda cool.
Don't get me wrong, it's nice to sit there and wrench and get some things done, but at the same time, I'm happy for a little bit of rest, so.
A little bit of this and that this morning, and
we're getting ready to run about 70 miles that way to Ocala. Got to get together, and we're going to have a little bit of fun, so I'll take you along for the trip, and we'll show you around. Oh, but before I forget, you got to check this out. We got a new addition to the family. I'm going to take you around and show you. So everybody, this is Vinnie. I made them all out of scrap parts I had laying around, and he was 100% German. However, not too long after I made him, a couple weeks back, he broke his neck. So he came in for surgery, and we just put a regular American bolt in there for a neck, because that's what I had. So anyway, everybody, meet Vinnie. Again, 95% German. His German is a little rusty, but he's happy to be here in America. What can I say? I couldn't help myself on that one.
his German is a little rusty, but he's happy to be here in America. What can I say? I couldn't help myself on that one.
So yeah, nice beautiful day, about 80. Could be worse, could be better. A little cloudy, breezy, but I tell you what, I actually sweated today mowing my yard. In February, guys, come on. Hey, must be Florida life, right? So anyway, we'll get on over to Ocala. Let's see what we find.